Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1959 Chevrolet Biscayne, 330 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. Beautiful car, man. It's custom finished. You can see it's got a beautiful charcoal metallic paint on it. It's actually got Impala interior. It's got a custom tri-tone red Impala interior. Car's lowered all the way around. You can see it's sitting on 18 and 20-inch Billet Specialty wheels. Modern drivetrain. It's got It's got an LS1 electronic fuel injected engine in it with a 4L60 automatic trans, four-wheel disc brakes, air. Man, just a super, super cool car. And one thing I can tell you about this car, guys, runs and drives excellent, man. Just a fun, fun car to drive. Few little things you can kind of pick at. This stuff is original, actually. And so it's got a couple little dings in it. They definitely replaced the bumpers. Slick paint on it. Power antenna, it works. Glass is nice. Pick that rear glass. I saw a couple little marks in it. Super cool tail on these cars, man. Great stance. Just a neat car. And you want to talk about an attention getter. We left this thing outside here the other day when we first got it in, and man, everybody went nuts. Again, 18 and 20-inch. Billet Specialty wheels, four-wheel disc brakes with slotted and drilled rotors. This is Eddie's little touch. He put this red pinstripe, that's tape, so if you don't like it, you can take it out. I thought it looked cool. Again, modern drivetrain, LS1 EFI engine. It's got a Delco controller, does have air blows ice cold, serpentine pulley system. Aluminum radiator with electric fan, power steering. You can see it's got tubular control arms on it. Automatic overdrive trans. All this stuff is really in nice shape. Like I said, that one piece, got a little scrape there and a couple little dings on it there, so it may not be available. I can't tell you I've ever bought trim for these cars. Maybe something you have to find at a swap meet. Car sits good. This car's just got a killer look, man. Car's very nice underneath. I mean, it's all painted a shade of gray underneath, like a lighter gray. New door rubbers. This is all new interior. Love the red. I've got new matching floor mats on the way, new carpet, new sill plates. That's a custom steering wheel. It's got classic instruments, gauge cluster in it. 330 miles. It's got a Retrosounds radio, dual exhaust. It's factory rear end with the 373 limited slip rear gear. Wicked tool car, man. It's all spackle coated, you can see in here. Everything opens and closes nice. Fit and finish is very nice on the car. Again, it's the kind of car, guys, you can put mirrors on it, show it, mirrors underneath it, and show it. That kind of car. Wicked cool car. Love the red, man. Air blows cold. Go ahead and start it up, Dale. Drives awesome, guys. Turn your air on. Air blows ice cold too, guys. That's a nice car. Not a whole lot to really pick on that car. You can always find something. I always tell people that, but man, that's a pretty one. Gauges are all functional. Car holds good old pressure. So you can see the brake lights there working. Hey, turn signals, Dale. There you go. It's hard to see, guys. Hopefully you can see them. Yep. Give a little rev. It's got great sound. Great sound. Radio works. Blower motor works. Doors open and close nice. Wipers, Dale. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that, always can do that at our website, which is southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. Tell me that car is not cool as can be right there.